everyone, my name is Nur Atika Zahra, NIM 0403223141, Program Studi Ilmu Al-Quran dan Tafsir 3E, Fakultas Usuluddin dan Studi Islam, dosen pengampu Miss Diah Safitri Armin MPD. Here I will explain about the Tajweed Science paper entitled Understanding Tajweed Science and the Origin of Learning Tajweed Science. I made this video assignment as my final English semester assignment. Short description. The science of Tajweed is the science of knowing how to read the Quran correctly, such as fulfilling the correct meaning of each letter, its nature, the like of its pronunciation, and so on. Learning the science of correction is mandatory for some people who teach it, while practicing it in reading is mandatory for everyone. The Quran commends reading it slowly and beautiful, showing the importance of beauty in the reading the Quran. Understanding Tajweed Science and the origin of learning Tajweed Science. Understanding Tajweed Science. Tajweed literally means repairing or improving. As for the terms, ikhrajuhu kulli harfin min makhrajihi wa i'tawuhu haqqahu wa mustahaqqahu minas sifati. Take out every letter from its makhraj where it come out by giving in the haq and mustahaq of its properties. Imam Ibnu Al-Jazari said in Manzumah Al-Muqaddimah Al-Jariyah, give every letter its right from the nature it has and its mustahaq. What is meant by haq letters is the always zatiyah original nature or attached to the hijaiyah letters which cannot be separated, such as the characteristic of qalqalah, jar, hamz, shiddah, raqawah, isti'la, and others. Meanwhile, what is meant by mustahaq letters is the nature of the from reading laws that are product from the quality adhere zatiyah or aridha, such as tafhim, tarkik, izhar, idgham, ikhfa. The science of Tajweed is a science that is very useful for Muslims. As for the law studying the science of Tajweed, theoretical it is fardu kifayah, that is, if some Muslims have studied it, then the obligation for others is terminated. Meanwhile, the law of reading the Quran according to the rules of Tajweed science is fardu ain, which is an obligation that must be fulfilled by every Muslim and tries to improve his reading in order to avoid the so-called lan or mistake when reading the Quran, meaning that someone who reads the Quran without tajweed will be sinned because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the Quran with tartil and direction. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Auzida alaihi warattilil Qur'ana tartila, or more than half that, and read the Quran slowly. Quran Surah Al-Muzammil ayat 4. The origin of studying the science of Tajweed. The aim of learning the science of Tajweed is to keep your mouth safe from errors in reading the Quran, because people who read the Quran without direction of the Quran, it will fall into the land of error, has a negative impact on the value of worship, and can reduce the value of reward. It can even cancel worship, such as prayer. For example, if you read Surah Al-Fatihah without direction or not in accordance with the rules of science direction,